The Assembly Committee on Women Empowerment today summoned officials of the Police Department, State Commission for Women and State Commission for Protection of Child Rights regarding the Nongra filicide case. Speaking to press persons after the meeting held at MLA Hostel, Shillong, chairperson of the committee, Dr. Amprin Lingdor, informed that the Women and Child Rights Commission have been asked to come up with a report to verify whether there were any lapses by the police department in regards to the incident. Recently, the Women Commission had informed that the wife of the mother accused had filed a domestic violence complaint against Geoffrey Sanjana just 2 days prior to the incident, and the police reportedly advised counseling. The committee chairperson stressed that henceforth, cases of domestic violence and missing children should be taken very seriously, adding that the case charge sheet should be filed as soon as possible so justice is neither denied or delayed. She also informed that the Social Welfare Department is processing ex gratia amounting to Rs 5 lakhs to the next of kin.
We had a thorough discussion between the Police Department, the Commission for Women of the State of Meghalaya and the Child Protection Commission of the State of Meghalaya, and we had expressed our serious concern on the occurrence of this heinous crime on that day. We had sought from the police certain details, and we have found that it is now necessary that the Police Department, the Child Protection Commission of the State of Meghalaya and the Women's Commission of the State of Meghalaya should meet to discuss threadbare all detailed information regarding to A, the domestic violence that occurred, the registration of complaint by the mother of the two victims. We've also asked these three parties to immediately meet and take cognizance of all omissions and commissions as and when or if at all they occurred. As far as the status of the action taken report of the police, we have left it to the two commissions in the state of Meghalaya to have their discussions and to get back with a report to the committee for the empowerment of women of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The one thing that has emerged from this interaction with the police department and the two commissions is that A, there needs to be a tightening of all cases of reports of domestic violence to the police stations across the state. B, the filing of missing children is another very important concern in the discussions that occurred today. We are of the opinion that this case should progress rapidly towards the charge sheeting. Otherwise, again, there could be a lot of unnecessary delay in the matter. I am not permitted to disclose all that we have discussed because the case and the matter is now in court. However, we are going to follow up and we are going to ensure that justice is not delayed, worse so, not denied to these two innocent victims who met with such a fearful, horrible death. The Empowerment of Women Committee of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is a committee that will guide all authorized commissions and the police department operating in the state of Meghalaya. We have sent a message clearly to them that they must immediately sit to trace out any lapse and to consolidate with facts so that whatever action that is deemed fit by these commissions who have the authority to do that gets done and action is taken. We are not a committee that the authority or the teeth to take those kinds of actions. But the Commission for Women, the Commission for the Protection of Child Rights are legal entities, and we have, through this interaction today, guided them to immediately take all facts into account, and once the report is filed to us, then we may be privy to whatever lapses, omissions or commissions that had occurred, and even if they did occur, substantial backup of facts should be able to guide the committee on taking further action. The police department, to ensure that the charge sheeting of this case should occur as early as possible. There are few procedures that remain pending. We are not the experts on this matter, but we will from time to time push them to speed up and ensure that this case is put behind us and justice is not denied to the loss of these two innocent lives. We have been informed by the Social Welfare Department that an ex gratia payment will be processed to the tune of 5 lakhs to the family of the deceased. They are processing it. We hope that this will happen quickly, and we hope that this will help as an assistance to the family to fight this case in the court and to get the best of lawyers so that justice is not denied.